Welcome to our show, Sounds Around the World, here at the Barbican. Please allow me to introduce you to Bill. This is Bill.
Once upon a time, there was a frog called Bill. Well, he may have been a frog, but he may have been a lizard. Even Bill wasn't sure. Anyway, this frog or lizard named Bill didn't live in a pond, or under a rock, or in the desert. Bill lived in London, at the Barbican on a shelf in the library. But Bill didn't always live in London. Bill came from a galaxy far, far away. And on Bill's planet, sound traveled in waves like on Earth. But Bill could ride any wave for all it was worth. When he traveled on sound waves, Bill went fast and went far, far faster than deer, or a very fast car. He could travel on sound waves right back to their source. For him, it was easy, a matter of course. Faster than birds, buses, trains, even planes. Bill would travel on sound waves again and again. And one night, when Bill was investigating a sound, he found himself on a launch pad in a spaceship. And the last sound he heard on his home planet was 3, 2, 1, liftoff. And so for a while, Bill's home was in outer space. And for Bill, outer space was full of sound. He learned to tell the difference between a satellite calling, an asteroid falling. He even learned the sound of lonely astronauts sobbing. And after some time, when the spaceship was traveling between the moon and the Earth, he heard all kinds of sounds. He heard music, he heard laughter, and very soon after, he found himself landing on Earth with a splash. And so from that day, Bill the frog, or lizard, made his home at the Barbican in the library. In the daytime, he would explore the sights and sounds of London. And at nighttime, he would sit on his shelf and listen to music. Bill loved music, and he would investigate whatever he heard like a detective searching for clues. Was it somebody singing, a sax, or a drum? What instruments were they and where were they from? And so, with time and practice, Bill became a very good music detective. He could recognize styles, he could recognize bands, and he knew about music from faraway lands. But one night, he heard a sound he had never heard before. What's that sound, thought Bill. But Bill couldn't tell who, what, where, how, or why. So he hopped on the sound wave and he started to fly, because Bill was a curious frog private eye. What's that sound, said our Bill, who knew just what to do. Is it a bagpipe or something quite new? And anyway, just who on earth are you?
My name's Will Pound. I play the harmonica. Small one there. Played in lots of blues music. It's an easier instrument to pick up and learn. They can be quite cheap as well, so you can go and buy them for only £5. My friend Dan plays the wonderful instrument that is the banjo.
I play the banjo, that's my job. And this is the 5-string banjo, originally an African instrument. This is a resonator on the back of the banjo. A lot of the sound comes out of these holes here. Play an Irish tune.
Hello everyone. Oh, you're very noisy today, it's great. We're going to play 2 tunes for you from England. The first one is from Essex, not too far from here, and that's called John Hunter's, and then we'll follow that with a tune from way up north in Newcastle called Lasses Past the Brandy.
Did you enjoy that?